Yeah, what's up, guys? So this is how to do which is your SoDEX tax on SoSoValue. I believe a lot of people would have done. I believe a lot of people would have actually done like answer the question, because answers of the question are already in the SoSoValue app. You can see I've done my own to 120. So in this video, I'll be telling you how to do your SoSoValue task. You get. So first of all, you have to connect your wallet. You have to connect your wallet on your SoSoValue. It is very important. You can see if you check my own profile, let me edit. You see, and my wallet is already connected. So it is very important that your wallet is linked to your SoSoValue account. I did a separate video on how to do that. So let's get into the video. So if you want to do your SoSoValue tax, you go to SoDEX, start trading. So when you go to SoDEX, when you enter SoDEX, you connect your wallet. You see that same wallet I used to connect that same wallet I connected to my SoSoValue, I connected to my SoDEX too. You see, it is connected on my SoDEX too. So automatically, since that same wallet is connected on your SoSoValue and is connected on your SoDEX, automatically SoSoValue will know that those two accounts are already linked together. You get. So this is it. The first tax says deposit $15. You understand? Deposit $15. So you just come here. You come to deposit. Which coin do you want to deposit? You see, they gave you option of USDC, SoSoValue, BTC, and ETH. So, for example, let me check if there's other option: BNB, LTC, SU, and all. So normally, as a sharp guy, I'll just go USDC, which is a stable coin. I'll go which is a stable coin. Then blockchain, they're asking you which blockchain to send to. You understand? Which blockchain? Ethereum, Arbitrum, Base. So they said Solana is fast, 1 minute to verify. Arbitrum 2 minutes. Base 2 minutes. You get. So I'll actually go with Solana, which is more faster. So you say only send Solana, or since you selected Solana, they'll show you that terms only send Solana. So they have given me the wallet to send to. So I'm going to pause this video here after depositing, then I'll continue the video. So I just sent to the wallet, so it's showing waiting transfer. So in 1 minute's time it will be deposited, inshallah. So I'm waiting for it to get deposited. I just sent 50 USDC Solana network. You can transfer 15, you can transfer any amount you want, but I will actually transfer 50. You understand? Transfer 50. So I'll just do all the task. When I do all the task, I will withdraw my $50 back, make I take job. Okay. So getting close to 1 minute waiting for transfer. You have to like confirm if money have actually gotten to them. So you see, it has just shown here 51.85 USDC deposited pending. So it is pending and it's about to drop. So confirm, deposit confirm. You can see my deposit have finally showed, which is my balance $50. And the next thing I'll do is, okay, so somebody said deposit. Now you have deposited $15. Since your wallet is connected to your SoDEX and connected to your SoSoValue, when you deposit this money, you just go back to your SoSoValue. I've done mine before, and when you go to your SoSoValue, you see deposit $15. You click verify the task. When you verify the task, it will spend like 15 minutes or 20 minutes. Sometimes it's very fast, 2 minutes, 1 minute. It will show that you have done the task. Very easy. So you see, you go back to SoDEX. So the next one, they said, the next tax they say you should do after that is, after the $15, they say you should buy mag. You understand? They say you should buy mag something. You understand? So you can go here and buy mag something worth of $15. You just see mag something, mag 7 SSI, which is their SSI for altcoin, top altcoin. You go here, you just buy the amount they say you should buy. You understand? You put the amount of mag SSI they say you should buy, then buy. It's very, very easy. You get. Then for the most final task, they say you should have a trading volume of a particular amount. So to get the highest trading volume, you can only use $50 to get a 20k trading volume. But you have to be careful. So you just have to come to trade. I'll go to features. You can see this candlestick here. This candlestick. Okay, showing buy pressure from this place. So I'm not here to analyze charts to say all this. All I just want is 20k trading volume. So all I will do is I'll come here. Let me use BTC. Let me reload. So you click 100. We're trading USDT slash BTC. You get. So I'll be trading with. Let me put the amount in USDC. I'm trading with 50. Trading 50 USDC. Okay, it's still showing insufficient balance. So I think I'll fix that by transferring my assets to futures. My $50 before now is in sports. You know, sports, for those that are good in crypto, you know, sports is different from futures. So I'll move my money to futures. It's confirming, blah blah blah. Pretty fast. Okay, you see, transfer successful. I've transferred to the futures. So normally Bitcoin will actually go up or go down, but I don't want to analyze the chart. All I just want is my trading volume. You get. So I actually want to long. Okay. Let me short. I'll be using 20x to pack more volume. You get. Let me short. So I've actually shorted from here. So all I actually want is a 20k trading volume. So I'll wait for some minutes. You can see the trade. I actually went for sell and I'm already down minus $0.55. Yeah, so all I just want is I want to be very very careful with my trade. So I'll be I'll be trading like 4 to 5 times just to get that trading volume I'm looking for. So you can see my trade is currently 0.21 minus 0.21. So I want it to go down more. So when you get to my entry price or below, I'll just like cut off. So before we go back to the trading, you can see before now they say the Farah I have to have 2,000 trading volume. So since I'm trading futures now, normally my volume was done the spike up. So in few time now, you see I'll be able to like unleash this. So let me go back to the trading the futures. So you can see, like, I'm going to cut this video because I know this video will be very very long, like very very long. You can see here is minus 0.42 0.42. So I'm waiting for more volume. So let me go back and check the Farah. You can see 56 and 58% to 2k. So I'm looking for 20k trading volume. Trade futures. So position, you can see 20x leverage. So I just feel normally with this chart anything can happen though, but I feel it's supposed to come down back to this place. It's supposed to come down back to this place, then it may spike back. I don't know, but I think when it's getting close to this place, I'll cancel the trade and I'll do another trade again. So I'm waiting for more volume, more trading volume. That's what I want. That's why I went to 20x and so for this video not to be long, I'll end it here. Then I'll come back again to show you guys that I've gotten my 20k trading volume. So I don't want the video to be very very long. Yeah, so I'm back to the trade. The trade is now showing plus $0.37, as you can see. You get, it's now on plus 55 because why I went for sell, I feel it may dump to this sell, this pressure here. So that's my guess, no analysis, but I just feel it will come back here. I don't know. So now I'll check my volume again. volume. So you see, it's still stuck at the same place. So I actually want to go back to features and end the trade. So I'm about to end this trade. See, I close all position. So I want to actually close the trade. Okay, the trade has closed. So I'll check my volume again and see if I got to 2k volume. I still did not. I just got 1k volume. So I'll just flip the trade like 5 times to get that volume I'm looking for. So I'm seeing sell, or let me buy this time. So I'm waiting for position to open. I'm waiting for my position to get open. So if you can notice, where I pressed buy, it did not take my trade from there because I think there was a change. So okay, my trade just entered, so I'll go back to the position. You can see from where I take buys at plus 0.41, because I feel since there's buy pressure here, there may be another buy pressure here, I don't know, or I feel this thing may come down before it picks up, or I don't know. All I'm wanting for is volume. I just want volume. So let me go back and check my trading volume. Wow, you can see I've got my 2k trading volume ASAP. So I've got my 2k trading volume. They have opened my referral stuff. So for you guys that are watching this video are not just in for 2k trading volume, you guys are in for like 20k trading volume. So if you want to get that 20k volume, you have to leave your trade for long, a little, like 30 to 1 hour. Just flip it like 2 to 3 times, you get. But you have to be very cautious of how you trade, so you won't like lose your money, because trading features, you get ITD if you lose your money for your eye. So let's go back to the trade. You can see I entered with $50 something, and I'm almost plus $1 now, because I wanted to flip buy, because see, this place there is buy pressure at this place, small buy pressure here, small buy pressure here. So a lot of people are actually buying. If you check, see this candlestick now, buy pressure. For those that understand candlestick, you know what I'm talking about. Let me open it very well for you. You see buy pressure. So it's almost plus $1. Okay, so I've gotten 2k trading volume. We just flipping buy and sell. So you can actually flip and get 20k trading volume. Immediately you flip and get that 20k trading volume. Boom, you go back to your SoSoValue task and verify. You get, and you know that before you do this stuff, you do this task. Just do the task according to what you see on your this thing, according to what you see on your SoSoValue task. You get. So this will be the end of the video. This is how to use SoDEX to trade, and this is how to use it to do your task. So I'll be closing this market on plus $1 on this trade. So before it shifts, okay, plus it's actually going well, almost plus $2 now. So you see, because of this buy pressure here, you see people buy till you got here. So people sold, people buy till you got here. So I feel the market is very volatile, so there's buy and sell pressure. So I'm off. Closed. I actually closed at $1.36. Then after getting your 20k volume, your money is still intact. Just withdraw, and when you withdraw, see almost $2, but I don't close already. So when you withdraw, you transfer your money back to your wallet. You withdraw back to your wallet. You get. So this is how to trade and create volume. So, and that's how I was able to get this thing. There's even an easy way without trading. You understand? There's an easy way without trading. You cannot, if you have like almost $200 and you don't want to trade, you don't want to risk your money trading, you can just go to SoDEX. You can go back to, I think this is the one I was using. Okay, I think this is the one I was using. I have too many open folders. You can just go to sports. If you let me show you something. If you want to, the easiest way, and you have $200 that you don't want to risk, and you just want to do your task, you can just come to deposit. You deposit the $200 with based on any blockchain. Then you come here, you buy mag SSI. You understand? Mag SSI, you buy it, you switch 100. You can do it with $200 or 100, or no, $200 will be enough, because $200 will give you almost 300 SSI. Then you come to votes, then you move your money to votes. You can see I have 310 mag SSI on this vote already, worth $154. I just like left it there. So you just come deposit to votes, you deposit the money to votes, then automatically you don't even get that your 120% tax. You see, I'm at the 120% already. You see 120%. So if you just do that SSI on already, you don't pack on already. So easy votes. Then you stake. Then you can withdraw like in after you do the tax. When you withdraw, I think in 3 to 4 days time, it's go back to your spot balance. Then you withdraw, you convert to USDT back. Then you send your money back to your wallet. I feel these steps will be hard for people that does not understand crypto before, people that does not have basic knowledge of crypto. But if you know how to trade, you know how to analyze, bro, this thing is fucking easy for you, bro. It's fucking easy. So SoSoValue is launching very soon, and I want everybody to take it serious, because they paid a lot of people $50K, $20K in season one. So I want them to pay a lot of us that use my referral link. So let's fuck this shit. Let's do this stuff. So thanks for watching to this place, because I know I've not edited this video, but I know it to be very, very long. But if you watch to this place and to this part of the video, thanks for watching.